Greetings, human beings. Today I'll be talking about the Haigu 700. As you can see here, the mask itself has some resemblance with the Shannon 4A1. Right, now let's see the valve assembly. As you can see here, you see this bit here? Well, it can actually be removed. There you go. So this is the inhale valve assembly for the Haigu 700. I'm gonna put it back, and this part here is gauze threaded, not normalized but gauze. Normalized thread do not exist. This is gauze threaded. Full name of the company is Cangzhou Haigu Safety Protection Technology Company Limited. So this is the inside of the mask. Here you can see the oil nozzle cup, the voice diaphragm, and the exhale valve. Here, well, look at that. That's how you remove the eye lenses. It is not screwed or clamped onto the facepiece itself. And as you can see it by now, it doesn't have a pre-fill seal. The mask itself have a head mesh style head harness, which is 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The top bit here is adjustable. This one here is adjustable. It doesn't have any markings at all, and it is only available one size only, which is universal. And as you can see here, there's the sticker and the LA approval, and this is the serial number for the mask itself.
Cheers.